All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Jason here, creator of the TCP SuperSystem, three-component system that helps us identify opportunity zones and uptrends and downtrends in both crypto and equity markets. If you look at my video from yesterday, we covered Avalanche and Chainlink, and we had told you, in our opinion, based on what the chart is telling us, which is not financial advice, that we would have chosen Avalanche, and it was trading right here around this 25, 26 mark. And this is the candle we got today. And we also said in that video that you would likely start to see signals. Well, here is our first level 1 indicator, which is in an uptrend. It's typically an opportunity zone to scale out. Now, granted, the hot sensors at the bottom, again, go back and look at yesterday, it goes white, gray. It actually goes white, gray, blue, yellow, orange, red. So we're still early on. We got some yellow here and some yellow here. So we are getting closer. But in the very, very short term, again, when we typically get these signals, which again, we share these for informational and educational purposes only. This is how we leverage our system to do our own trading. Our actions may not be suitable for you. Please consult a licensed financial professional. We do not provide financial, tax, or legal advice. We are not licensed advisors. Anything that you see on this system, interpretations, they are not recommendations to buy or sell. So, disclaimer out of the way, we would expect to see, again, and go back and look at yesterday's video as well, we also said in our standard deviation metrics up top, that if that red line got above into those extremes, we would expect to see some upward movement. Well, voila, we're well up above the extremes. And we got the nice candle today, moving from basically $26 all the way to $29, which is actually higher than we had thought it would go. But now, again, first level 1 signal. There's 3 shades of diamonds. That's the first shade. Let's see if I can find you some back here. So here you go. That's a level 2. And you can see in an uptrend, we can hit these signals multiple times. And that's why you don't just simply rely on these, but you'll notice as we got those signals, it did retrace a little bit and it continued in the uptrend. And that's why we leverage the hot sensors and the standard deviation methodologies to help support these signals. So again, short term weakness here. We could see this thing pop back down to the top of this cloud, 2638, somewhere in that range. And then you could see it continue upward. That's where we need to watch the hot sensors and the standard deviation methodology that tells us what it might do next. But again, pretty much played out as we thought. Just went a little bit higher than we thought. I think we had called for like in that 27s, so it went a little bit higher. And I think we even said it could go a little bit higher. But watch that in the short term, because again, likely a smaller retracement coming. Then we need to watch and see what happens. If the red line and the standard deviation stays above the this red zone here, and especially above or in the extremes, that's still positive, so it can still run higher. If this thing continues to fall back down into this zone and below it, then we'll likely get that retracement and even potentially even down further. And yesterday, based on that video, we looked at some the liquidation heat maps for Avalanche, and there's a lot of leverage to the downside that's most likely going to be wiped out. And if that does happen, we would expect it to be somewhere around $21.50 to $22. So that's just our opinion. Again, not financial advice. But yeah, nice little call yesterday. Go back and look at the video. It'll be attached to this one. If you have any tokens you would like us to run through the system, please feel free to put that in the comments, and we will try to cover those as we have availability. Again, TCP SuperSystem. I'm Jason. I'm the creator. It took me 2 to 3 years to build this thing, and it has done very well in helping me identify opportunities in uptrends and downtrends. And we hope to share this information as we go forward. We'll be covering all types of cryptos. Again, if you want a particular one, just comment, and we will see what we can do. Until next time, best trading, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you.